Lila embarked on her journey through the labyrinthine aisles, running her fingers along the spines of dusty books. As she explored, the stories whispered to her, beckoning her to unearth their secrets. One book, tucked away in a corner, caught Lila's eye, The Symphony of Silent Stars. Intrigued, Lila opened the book and found herself immersed in a forgotten tale of a young astronomer named Celeste. Celeste, who had devoted her life to studying the cosmos, discovered a constellation that resonated with a celestial melody. The story spoke of Celeste's quest to share the symphony of silent stars with the world, but over time, her tale had faded into obscurity. Enchanted by the narrative, Lila felt a deep connection to Celeste's journey. Determined to breathe life into the symphony of silent stars, she returned to Amelia and asked for permission to share the tale with the townsfolk. Amelia, delighted by Lila's enthusiasm, agreed, and together they organized an event in the town square. As Lila read aloud the forgotten tale, the townsfolk gathered, captivated by the celestial symphony that unfolded through the words. The story resonated with the hearts of those who listened, and Celeste's quest became a source of inspiration for dreamers and stargazers. Encouraged by the success of their endeavor, Lila and Amelia continued to unearth and share lost tales from the Library of Lost Tales. Each narrative, whether it be a whimsical fable or a poignant memoir, found a new home in the hearts of the townsfolk. The library became a haven for those seeking stories that spoke to the depths of their souls. One day, as Lila browsed the shelves, she discovered a particularly weathered book titled The Whispering Oak. This tale unfolded the story of an ancient oak tree that held the memories and wisdom of generations. The Whispering Oak, forgotten and overlooked, longed for someone to hear its tales and share them with the world. Determined to give voice to the silent oak, Lila organized a storytelling festival beneath the ancient tree in the town square. As the townsfolk gathered, Lila began to recount the tales whispered by the ancient oak. The stories, infused with the spirit of the tree, resonated with the audience, and the Whispering Oak became a cherished storyteller in the community. The success of the festival caught the attention of neighboring towns, and soon, people from far and wide traveled to experience the magic of the Library of Lost Tales. The once hidden narratives found new life through the passionate voices of those who believed in the power of forgotten stories. As the Library of Lost Tales became a cultural hub, Amelia and Lila realized that the magic of storytelling went beyond the pages of books. It was a bridge that connected hearts, a medium that transcended time and space. The library, once a sanctuary for forgotten tales, had transformed into a beacon of inspiration, nurturing a community bound together by the threads of shared stories. In the heart of the small town, the Library of Lost Tales stood as a testament to the enduring power of narratives that had weathered the storms of neglect. The shelves, once filled with dusty volumes, now gleamed with stories that had found a home in the hearts of those who dared to listen. Amelia, with a content smile, continued to welcome seekers of stories, knowing that the magic of the library would endure for generations to come. Title: The Garden of Whispers. In the heart of a tranquil village, surrounded by meadows and rolling hills, there existed a mystical garden known as the Garden of Whispers. Legend had it that this garden held the secrets of the universe, whispered by the ancient trees, vibrant flowers, and elusive creatures that called it home. At the center of the garden stood an ancient oak tree with branches that reached for the heavens. The wise oak was said to be the guardian of the whispers, the keeper of stories that echoed through time. Its leaves rustled with the collective knowledge of generations, and those who entered the garden could feel the gentle murmur of its secrets. In this village lived a young girl named Isabella, known for her curiosity and deep connection with nature. Isabella had heard tales of the Garden of Whispers from the elders but had never ventured into its depths herself. One day, driven by an unexplainable urge, she decided to explore the enchanted garden that beckoned beyond the meadow. As Isabella stepped through the archway that marked the entrance to the garden, a sense of tranquility washed over her. The air was filled with the sweet fragrance of blooming flowers, and a soft breeze carried the melodious hum of unseen creatures. The ancient oak, its gnarled roots weaving through the earth, stood as a silent sentinel, inviting Isabella to uncover the mysteries within. As she wandered deeper into the garden, Isabella discovered pathways adorned with vibrant blossoms, each path leading to a different corner of the enchanting realm. She felt a connection to the living tapestry around her, as if the very essence of the garden whispered tales of forgotten realms and untold adventures. In one corner of the garden, Isabella encountered a crystal-clear pond reflecting the azure sky above. The water rippled as colorful fish glided beneath the surface, creating a mesmerizing dance of light and shadow. Isabella, drawn to the serenity of the pond, dipped her fingers into the water, feeling a tingling sensation as if the pond itself shared its secrets. The whispers in this part of the garden spoke of forgotten lands where mermaids sang lullabies to the moonlit sea and sea creatures exchanged stories with the stars. Isabella, captivated by these tales, closed her eyes and let her imagination soar, feeling a connection to the vastness of the ocean within the confines of the magical garden. Continuing her journey, Isabella entered a meadow filled with soft, golden grass. Butterflies flitted about, and the air hummed with the delicate melodies of hidden insects. In this part of the Garden of Whispers, the story spoke of mythical creatures that had once roamed the earth, leaving traces of their magic behind. As Isabella strolled through the meadow, she encountered a majestic unicorn grazing peacefully. Its eyes, wise and ancient, met hers, and a silent understanding passed between them. Isabella felt a surge of gratitude for the gift of witnessing such a mythical being, and she knew that the garden held endless wonders waiting to be discovered. In the heart of the garden, Isabella found herself beneath the shade of the ancient oak tree. Its branches reached out like wise arms, and its leaves whispered stories of love, loss, and the cyclical dance of life. Isabella, feeling a profound connection to the heartbeat of nature, decided to sit beneath the tree and listen.